And so for the last 3 years, we've got a program called the Africa Innovation Fellows Program. And it was really a simple idea. The Royal Academy of Engineering in the UK is one of our partners, and they've got the Africa Prize for Engineering Innovation. It's the biggest engineering prize on the continent here in Africa. And they've run that prize for 5 years, and they've never had a female winner. And usually they'd get about 30 applicants for the prize, female-owned businesses in STEM. And we approached them, working with them on a number of programs around capacity building for the engineering industry and diversity and inclusion. And we said, let us support you in running the AIF program, the African Innovation Fellows Program. In year one, we had 175 female founders in STEM businesses apply to us. We were able to take 25 through to a training program. And some of the business challenges that they were having was funding. So female founders in Africa get 0.02% of what gets funded in Silicon Valley in the tech industry. So, but despite the lack of funding, they were bootstrapping their businesses, they were making money, they were employing people, you know, and then a lot of them were having challenges with the engineering process, right? And so how do they streamline production? How do they make sure that manufacturing is, you know, up to a standard that makes it profitable? And this year, the Africa Prize for Engineering Innovation had three female finalists, which all came out of our AIF program. And the winner, which was never before, was a female founder that had come out of our African Innovation Fellows. So within a year, we had changed the Academy's entire you know, process, and seeing how easy it is with a little bit of funding, a little bit of capacity building and support to actually switch the needle on gender parity and female founders in STEM in Africa. And so there's an entire report that I've just shared in the chat as well. There's an insight report that we did. I mean, so what we have as female engineers, we have the same challenges as entrepreneurs, probably compounded. We have issues around sexual harassment in the industry when you're going to get money from venture capital. But despite all of that, you know, it's really about how is it that we are able to support economic growth and development, and how is it that female engineers can create better products and services for us as women to be able to thrive in the world that we live in.
I hope that by sharing the experiences that I have can help the other engineers in general and women engineers specifically out there with their perspectives and their life in general, and see whether we can actually motivate more women engineers to go out there and be the best that you can. So a climb from the lower rank